Hello guys, welcome to my channel RoboRealm, and today I'm going to tell you about OpenRouter. So first you can see the introduction. I'm Rudraksh, your AI savvy guide and computer geek. I am deep into technology, automation, coding magic. We break down complex tech and make it smarter and easier for you. Are you a curious learner? Then subscribe to our channel RoboRealm. We power the future. Welcome to RoboRealm, where the future begins. So, hello guys. So today I'm going to explain you about OpenRouter. So practically, what is the use of OpenRouter? So according to me, I use OpenRouter for usually checking, the daily analytics of different AI tools and which tool is the best for what thing. So like example, I want to make a video, which I have to go to, or today which AI has the most tokens, or which AI is the most used, which AI is the most productive. That's all OpenRouter says. So here let's go to OpenRouter. To go to OpenRouter, you just go to any random browser, create a new tab, and just search OpenRouter. There you'll see the first link. You go to OpenRouter, you sign up, and once you sign up, you can see that the loading page appears. So here in the first page you can do major stuff like get API keys, explore models of different companies like Grok, and a lot more. So here there are price and performance of different models, but according to me the main use is here. So this is just a short place where it just tells you, but there is more. So here we can see Claude Opus 4.5 by Anthropic. It has 371.9 billion tokens, but the weekly trend has gone down. So we have a lot here. So here you can't see much, you can see models where you can try different models, go to their actual websites and try them out. You can chat with different models, different flagship models, code models, reasoning models, and roleplay models. And the most important, that is the rankings, which I will come. Then here's the docs, which makes a new page about the codes, different codes of different AIs. So once you go to ranking, you can see there is a lot of information here. So here it says AI model rankings. It is based on real usage data from millions of users accessing models through OpenRouter. So here we can see Claude Sonnet 4.5. Second comes Memo V2 Flash, that is free. Grok Code Fast 1 by XAI, that's Elon Musk's company, and Gemini 3 Flash Preview. Then there's DeepSeek in its fifth place, and it keeps on going. You can see more till the 20th place if you like. So this is the LLM leaderboard that is, selected for this week. We can see the trending and it changes. In the trending, we have GLM 4.7 Flash by ZAI, Palyamara, X5 by Writer, O3 Mini High by OpenAI, by the O series, MultiQA Net Base V1 by Sentence Transformers, and a lot more. Then we can go to today. And so today it says that Claude Sonnet 4.5 by Anthropic is currently the best model that has been used today with most models, the most tokens. So next you can go to the market share where different companies take different market share. So here we can see we have Google in the first place because of their Gemini, XAI in the second place for their Grok, Anthropic for Claude, DeepSeek for their DeepSeek, OpenAI for OCDs, and a lot more. We can see this is the weekly trend, and you can see the different days. And now let's scroll and see. Those are the categories most useful for creators, people who work, and the people who create. So here my model is selected for programming. And in programming currently the best AI is Claude Sonnet 4.5. Second comes Grok Code Fast 1, and third comes Claude Haiku 4.5. So here you can easily say that Claude has captured the market of code. Then comes Gemini and a lot more. So this is only the programming. You can select different things, like example, you are a lawyer and you're interested in law. So we go to legal and it refreshes, and you can see the best thing for legal law is GPT OS 120B by ChatGPT OpenAI, Gemini 2.5 Flash by Google, Devistral 2 2512 by Mistral AI, Quen by Quen, Claude by Anthropic, and a lot more. Next, we can select a lot of different options, like if you create programming, and here at the end you can select which programming language. I'll come to that. Then next we have so many different categories for so many different type of people, like technology. The best currently in technology is current best in technology goes to Claude Sonnet 4.5. Then second goes to Mimo V2, Gemini 3 Flash, and it goes on. Next we have languages. As you know, there are different languages: English, Hindi, French, Spanish, and more. So here the best in language, in the sense AI which understands language the best, comes first in Grok Code Fast 1 by XAI, the Elon Musk's company, Mimo V2 Flash Free by Xiaomi, Claude Sonnet by Anthropic, Gemini 3 Flash Preview by Google, DeepSeek V3.2 by DeepSeek, Grok 4.1 Fast by XAI, and the list continues. You can select the language you want here. There are almost all the required language. Like example, I want to go for Hindi. The best AI for Hindi goes Grok 4 Fast. The best AI for Spanish is Grok 4 Fast, or goes to Grok Code Fast 1, and the list continues. Next we have the programming. As I told you, I'll continue. So here I selected programming, this by default there, and here you can select the language you are into. Like example, you are a programmer or a creator of websites or so on, and you code in Python. So here you can see the best AI for coding Python is Claude Sonnet 4.5, and the next is Grok Code Fast 1, and the list continues. You can select different languages, like even the old Fortran, best understood by DeepSeek R1 T2 Chimera, or you can even go for a really old language, like Fortran is a really old language, or you can go one of the most used, Java, and the current best in Java is Grok Code Fast 1. Next is context length. So here you can see context length first refers to which AI gets the most things. So like when you open your home screen, even in your phone, your laptop, your computer, or your Google TV or any TV, the usual first screen you see is Google's small, text area where you can search and type. Everyone knows Google, and that's why everyone practically uses Google, most of the people, and I mentioned that. So that's why most of the token goes to Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is by Google, and it has a really nice context length as you can select it so. Then the list continues for Gemini. That's the reason I told you, because Google is really popular. And next we go for tool calls. Tool usage. This shows in across OpenRouter itself which tools are the most used in OpenRouter, which is not always true, so I'm not going to refer to this. Next is images. So images, let's see, you can see which AI creates the best images here, and the first place goes to Gemini 2.5 Flashlight. That's because of their Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro, which is awesome in image creation. The next is also Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 3 Flash Preview, and then finally comes another company's AI, that is Qwen. Then comes GPT-5 Mini. Then here you can see it continues, which is the best for image creation. You can select the date according to the date, like which is we have January 19, and according to January 19 we have Gemini 2.5 Flashlight, 2.5 Flash, Gemini 3 Flash Preview. That continues. You can select your date in any one of those. You can select the date and you can see which is the best AI per that date. And the next is top apps. So OpenRouter is also a place where you can use different tools, different AIs, and different tools of AI by different companies. So those are the top tools used by most of the people and more. So here you can see that all of this information is based on how much is used on OpenRouter, as OpenRouter doesn't really see outside, it just sees inside its website. So like example, there are a lot of people working in OpenRouter's model itself. People use Google in OpenRouter itself, Gemini in OpenRouter itself, GPT in OpenRouter itself. So it checks which is the best AI according to that, and it shows according to its search results, as you can see. Now to conclude, OpenRouter is really important and very necessary, or very useful for those people who want to check out which is the best AI tool for them to use, because before this I didn't really know which AI to use, which is the best AI, and I ended up searching for which is the best AI creator, which is the best image creator, and going to the best code creator, which is completely wrong, and I'm wasting productivity. Using this, you can enhance your productivity and make better results. Like example, the current best for creating images is Gemini's Nano Banana. So you can go there, and the best coding AI is Claude. So you go there instead of ending up for the wrong results. Thank you. This is Rudraksh Gupta by RoboRem. Please subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you.